So let's talk about spreadsheets and freezing some rows and columns. Today we're going to look at Google Sheets, and in Google Sheets this is our lovely Taught by Humans social media calendar. So you can see I can scroll down and it's really annoying because I now can't see what the data was supposed to be. So is this the topic? What is this column here talking about? And also I've now scrolled to the side and I can't actually see what date that was to be posted on. There is a very easy way that we can actually deal with this. So if we scroll back up to the top corner here, and where do we want to freeze? So I think in row 4, and we maybe want to keep up to this day here. So I'm going to click in C4, and then I'm going to go over to view, across from freeze, and you can see here I can say 1 row, 2 rows, or the row that I'm clicked in, which is row 4, and I'm going to freeze up to row 4. And now when I scroll, my headings stay there. It's really good. I can scroll the whole way down to the bottom and they're still there. And I can do the same thing with the columns. So if I again click on view, freeze, and I say up to column C, now when I scroll horizontally, these 3 columns stay there, so I can always see what the date was, what the type of post it is, and that's really useful. And I can freeze as many as I want in either direction, but it's very useful when you have lots of data and you're going to be scrolling, but you want to always be able to see maybe the ID or the row, the column headings across the top.